Hi everyone, I'm Raji from Raji's Craft Hobby. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the pattern for this Picot Crochet Flower. Start with a magic circle. And chain 3. This will be counted as a stitch. This is just to bring the yarn to working height. Now make 12 double crochets in the magic circle. Once you're done, pull this yarn in to close the loop and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Round 2. Start with chain 3. 2 double crochet the same stitch. Now chain 3 and slip stitch on this first chain. This is one picot stitch made, and now in the same stitch make 2 double crochets. Chain 3 and one slip stitch in the same stitch. This is your petal made. Now skip the next stitch. This is your next stitch. Skip the stitch and in the next stitch make a slip stitch. Now repeat the same thing over here. That's chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch on the first stitch. That's one picot made. 2 double crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch in the same stitch. Now skip this stitch and in the next stitch make the other petal. Once you reach over here, slip stitch on this first stitch to finish the round. I hope you like this pattern. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.